A seat sharing deal is being finalized and the stage is set for the Bihar elections as the NDA has hit the ground running by declaring the seat sharing formula. Now, as the Prime Minister chaired the BJP Central Election Committee meeting on Sunday, the NDA confirmed that seat sharing arrangement for all of the 243 seats. Now, the BJP and the JDU will contest each on 101 seats, 108 seats in the upcoming elections, and this is crucial because this time the BJP and the JDU will be contesting on equal number of seats and the BJP will no longer be a junior partner in the alliance. Chirag Paswan's LJP Ramvilas has been handed 29 seats to contest on the following stellar performance in the Lok Sabha elections with a 100% strike rate. Now, will he be able to recreate that magic in the assembly elections is something that remains to be seen. Meanwhile, RLM and HAM have been accorded 6 seats each for the upcoming elections.
पार्लियामेंट में हमको 1 सीट मिली थी तो हम क्या थे, नाराज थे। वैसे यहाँ अगर 6 सीट की बात की गई है तो आला कमान करने में है, उसको हम सिरोधार्य करते हैं। दूसरे को क्या मिली है तो हमारे आला कमान समझ सकते हैं। ये बात है कि हमको जो मिला है हम लोग सब संतुष्ट हैं। हमारे लोग अभी वहाँ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जाएंगे। सरकार की कोई शिकायत नहीं।
So now let's tell you what this means for all of the sides, some of the significant takeaways and the seat sharing deal, how it is being finalized. Let's talk about the takeaways here. Especially when we speak of Bihar, BJP no longer remains the junior partner. 101 seats, equal distribution of seats that has now been done between the BJP and the JDU. Nitish Kumar, however, this time is not a guaranteed CM face. Yes, under his leadership that we are looking at as the elections are taking place in Bihar again. But Chirag Paswan seems to be now emerging as a key player, especially when it comes to the good performance that his party had put up during the Lok Sabha elections. But however, when we speak of fewer seats, that has now been accorded, but a symbolic share for the RLM and the HAM. The HAM leader also seems to be giving a warning to the alliance. However, the alliance now is more united than the previous elections that happened in Bihar. That was back in 2020. So this seems to be the unity formula or the seat sharing formula that has now been decided on part of the ruling NDA. But when we speak of the NDA, that has now got the ball rolling. But in the Vipaksh camp, which is the opposition, the situation, however, doesn't appear to be that simple for all, because when we speak of the key players in Mahagathbandhan, there seems to be a race. Now, Mukesh Saini, who has now admitted that all is not well in the alliance, and there seems to be a series of back-to-back meetings that have been taking place to finalize the seat-sharing arrangement as well as the Mahagathbandhan formula as well. So let's take a look. What are these issues that seems to be plaguing the Mahagathbandhan ahead of the Bihar elections? The sticking points that we are talking of, one of the hurdles is no consensus over CM face in the Mahagathbandhan. That seems to be one of the topmost sticking points there. There has been all parties who seems to be backing for Tejasvi for CM except the Congress party, because Tejasvi seems to be backing Rahul Gandhi as the PM face, but same hasn't been reciprocated on part of Congress's side to project Tejasvi as a CM face. Now all parties are backing CM Tejasvi except Congress, but the VIP seems to be claiming only 20 seats and the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. So that seems to be another hurdle as far as when it comes to the aspirations that other political parties have in the Mahagathbandhan. Now CPI-ML is also demanding 40 seats, citing 2020 strike rate. This seems to be a big jump in the previous formula, but when it comes to the RJD, one of the biggest parties in the opposition Mahagathbandhan, they want the 3 deputies formula to be applicable if they come to power. That means for Dalit, for the EBC and for the Muslim. So that has been as far as when it comes to several hurdles there that the opposition Mahagathbandhan seems to be facing, and now Tejasvi and Rahul are expected to meet in the national capital.
ये बात थोड़ा सा आप जो कह रहे हैं वो थोड़ा सा सही है। महागठबंधन थोड़ा सा अस्वस्थ हुआ है तो दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, और आपको पता है कि सब डॉक्टर दिल्ली में है, तो वहाँ पे बेहतर उपचार हो जाएगा और स्वस्थ होकर हम लोग पटना लौटेंगे। बहुत ही अच्छा। अभी ये तो बात हमको भी नहीं पता है, लेकिन दिल्ली में जाके ये बात तो हमको भी नहीं पता, लेकिन दिल्ली जाके प्रॉपर सही डॉक्टर के पास जाके सही इलाज हो जाएगा।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, good morning. NDA seat sharing